And when it's done, don't let them find you where they left you. The strongest thing you can do right now is go and become the man or woman that you've always wanted to be. No distractions, no excuses, just relentless hard work and effort. Listen to me. Get out of your bed and get to work. Get out of your head and get to work. Get out of your feelings and get to work, because there is nobody worth you giving up on yourself or losing yourself. So go and find you again. Get back in the gym. Eat right again. Get back to your studies. Get back to the money. Get back to everything that you were doing to become the person that you've always wanted to be, and times it by 2. Work harder than you have ever worked before. And when you look in that mirror, make sure that you are proud of everything that you have ever done and everything that you've ever overcome. Don't you ever sleep on yourself again. Don't you ever let yourself feel insecure because of what somebody else did. You built this. You be proud of it. You appreciate it every single day.